Hey guys, so today we're going to be using the James Charles palette again. Sorry if you're getting sick of it. I'm still obsessed with it and I want to use it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use it. You obviously don't need to use the products that I use. If you want to recreate this look, use whatever you have. You don't have to go out and buy this palette if you don't want to buy this palette, but it is like a amazing palette, and I've created, I want to say, like 8 or 9 looks now, and I've used majority of the shades. Today I want to use the purples mainly. We're mainly going to use Artistry, Escape, Single, and Love That, I think. I don't know if I'm going to use a whole bunch of Love That, if any, but yeah, that's the main color tones that I'm going for today. So yeah, as you can tell, I've already got my base on. I'm not using any concealer or foundation today just because I don't want to. You don't have to do anything that you don't want to do. If you don't want to wear foundation or concealer, then you don't have to wear foundation or concealer. There's really no rules to makeup. Sure, there's like some rules people claim, but like, it's makeup. You can do whatever you want with it, and that's the beauty of it. So whatever you want to take away from this video, you take away, and I just hope you enjoy. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell to be notified of when I upload videos. Follow me on all of my social medias so you can see all of the other looks that I create but don't post to YouTube. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So first I'm going to be using this random brush from Morphe and the shade Canvas, which is already on the brush, and I'm going to just put that as a little base. I've already got my eyes primed. Everything I used will be in the description bar as per usual. So the reason I started out with Canvas is just to give it a good base to blend over. That way it makes it a little easier to blend into another shade into my skin tone rather than just purple and then my skin. Taking this Morphe M441 brush, I have the shade Single on it, and I'm going to use that as mainly a transition shade in the crease. Taking the same shade Single on this medium concealer brush from Vanity Planet, I'm going to pack this all over my lids. Taking Escape on a Morphe M562, I'm going to darken the outer V and slightly the crease of my eye. So this is what it's looking like so far. And next I'm going to add artistry all over the lid using my finger. I'm gonna do everything that I did on the top to the bottom, and then I'll be right back. Here is an up-close look at what it looks like so far. Off camera, I'm gonna go apply the Kat Von D ink liner onto my upper eyelid, and I'm not going to wing it out, and then I'll be right back. This is what it looks like with the liner on. This is just to help conceal the lash band because I will be applying some lashes, and I'm actually gonna go do that. I'm going to go apply these AU Beauty lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to go apply the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter that looks like that on this lip brush from Morphe, and I'm going to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. I'm going to just add a little bit more highlighter. And lastly, off camera, I'm going to go apply the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bow and Arrow and the Marc Jacobs High Shine Lip Gloss in Love Buzz, and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like without the lip gloss. This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on to be notified of when I upload. And make sure to follow all my social medias to see all of the other looks that I do. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye guys.